Hi guys, this is Jarjar and once again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to transform these simple ingredients into a simple fried rice for lunch. I'm going to begin by pan frying the spring rolls. This is actually not part of the fried rice, but it's going to be a side dish. The spring rolls are done. I'm now pan frying the prawn paste. This is also another side dish for the fried rice. The prawn paste is done, nicely golden brown. Now I want to fry some eggs. Add some garlic. Add some green peas and sweet corn. Add the rice. Add some more egg onto the rice. Add some mushroom powder. Add some Chinese sausage. Add lots of coriander and spring onion. Add the eggs that I fried earlier. Some pepper, and it's time to serve. And there you go, a fragrant bowl of fried rice with spring rolls and prawn paste as a sides. Wow, looks yummy. It's going to be a wonderful meal. It's time to eat. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you soon again in another video. Bye!